We're doing this old school, guys. Back to when the kids were younger and I'd cook their food and put it in the tray and put a whole bunch of the same colored food. And yep, Skylan's refrigerator's back there, big pillow, lots of stuff back there getting ready to go into the vehicle.
As I'm staying close to the mirror.
What do you think? She started moving more of her stuff in here so it'll be closer to taking it out to the vehicle.
I think you may consider the fact that the other black car might be in order.
So you're thinking the Fusion is not going to work as the second vehicle. The Suburban might have to be our choice. And she's coming with more totes.
Came out of, I think.
Yeah.
Makes it harder to
This
figure out.
isn't even like half of it. And it's got to go in these two vehicles. Well, we're hoping, because we don't really want to take the Suburban.
Want me to shut this?
No, because
I think we're going to have to take it. It's not going to go up.
keep going.
Ah!
It's not gonna go up.
No, no, no.
You're not gonna get your like that.
It can't really lie down. It needs to stand up.
Put the bod butt in a little more.
Keep tilting it forward. Just enough to get it in.
We got plenty of room. What are y'all talking about?
It's just getting it through the door, Skylan. It's. All right, they got it.
No, put the seat. Cool.
That's it.
Okay, you have glitter on you. We're getting ready to head out. We've actually got a couple errands to run. How do you feel about leaving the house until Christmas?
It's kind of sad.
Yeah, kind of sad. I've already cried once today. Coming back from the grocery store.
With Lakeland in the car?
Yes.
Did he cry?
No. It's actually another day. We packed the car up yesterday and now we're off to Tom's work because he took my vehicle to work. Oops, green light. Actually, we're picking Tom up, gonna leave the Suburban at his work. He would take over driving this, the Fusion, and then I would take over driving Skylan's vehicle, and that way her and I can be together on the drive to school. This is really nice. So this particular one, they have each room has their own little welcome picture. And there's a stoplight. Now we're gonna go see compass. All right, so we've already been in, brought our luggage in. Really, really nice rooms. What I liked the most, look at that. 2 little Hershey kisses, and it says, "Here is a hug and a kiss for you tonight. We hope you sleep well." And they also give
2 bottled waters. And there's a refrigerator in there, microwave, your coffee's down there, nice storage. So I believe this is it's been a really long time since I've stayed in a Hampton Inn, which is by Hilton. So far so good. Oh, bathroom. Alright, I want to show you something special in here. So special. Look, it's a little rubber ducky. Alright, I like this whole configuration. That's nice. We're actually going to be here for 2 nights where Tom and I are. Of course, Skylan will be in her dorm room tomorrow night. I'll explain why we're here 2 nights. I'll explain later. The Disney resorts need this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Place to put shoes. And look at this. No, you don't get your own bed. I'm going to sleep with you tonight. Too excited? Silence is not a good answer. Let's see your shirt, Skylan. I just want you guys to know that this shirt she is wearing is over 30 years old. I had that t-shirt as a teenager, and now she is wearing it.
Where's the refrigerator?
Really? Oh, cool. This is going to be fun. Ah, shucks. You found it too soon. Although she did like go up and down the room a couple times before she realized where it was. So this is the reason we have a rubber ducky in the bathroom, but we didn't get a superhero, so we don't. This is awesome. They have smoothies. Look at that. This is great, guys. And then eggs, gravy, sausage, biscuits, oatmeal. Lots of things to put on your oatmeal or your waffles. Nice TV, nice chairs. Over here's a little section for computer usage. Just a nice sitting area to eat. She's stuffing the last into her suitcase because she has to take her bag where we get to leave our stuff because we're coming back tonight. As we wait for Tom to get out of the bathroom, we found a little additional game room area. Oh, Pac-Man. Pac-Man fever.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Have a good first night.
Thank you. See you later.
Wow, this is amazing.
Round 2.
Everything that was so fast. I appreciate that. Let's go to my apartment. I know, I'm not even jealous. My bad. It's like I need to go home.
Is that actually everything?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. You might,
I have more.
guys, we didn't have to lift a finger. Like, there's tons. That was so quick. There's your refrigerator. This is insane. So, did you have time to really pick it? Yeah, they were like, what side do you want? I mean, they're both the same.
I just went with this side because I don't like that.
You didn't like
I
that.
can put something.
Well, that was a good decision. You might want to stand in the hallway. Oh, I'll call Tom, make sure he knows where we are. As you can see, guys, that was absolutely insane. We pull up, there's got to be, 40 volunteers. They had both cars unloaded up to her 3rd floor room within 5 minutes. Her entire hall is Harry Potter themed.
Look at Emma. That's not Harry Potter.
That's not Harry Potter. So did you notice that yours says cunning leadership? Other rooms, I'm out of breath, guys. I just went up 3 flights of steps. Other, they put different, like, over there's intelligence. This is comical. Skylan's trying to put the bed risers up underneath the bed. Tom's holding it up. Alright, she has a shoe rack that she's put here. And she's got this one hook there. Hooks there. We're using this huge bag that was wrapped her bedding up in it as a big trash bag. So what did you think about the move-in process?
I have too much stuff.
Yeah, guys, she brought like 3 times as much as her roommate. When her roommate got there, we were like, what? Is that it?
Felt a little awkward.
Because Skylan has so much. Like, she's still trying to unpack and her roommate's done.
And we got there first.
And we got there first, yep. So we're at Taco Bell getting a quick bite to eat. Got to make a Walmart run to get things like a power strip, laundry detergent, which I tried to give her the laundry detergent when we got at home, and she's like, no, we'll just get it when we get there. And then she has a 12 p.m. meeting with her coach. Tom and I just made a Walmart run. Got a few essentials that she needs, plus a big mirror and a lockbox. Show you an essential. So we got this for Skylan for Christmas, just because of the whole going to college, and she'll have tools. And of course, colleges don't let you use tape or nails or anything like that. Command strips. Everything's command strips. I got her, since it's fall, a few little fall pumpkins, and this is going to be like her holiday and like seasonal little, we'll call it a shelf, even though it's an air conditioning unit. We're now all walking to the President's Welcome in the auditorium. Skylan's up there with her roommate. And we're leaving with empty tubs. Well, that one's full because she really couldn't fit everything, and then all those are empty. It is the day after moving Skylan in, and Tom and I have checked out of the hotel. And even though Skylan doesn't have like time for lunch or anything like that, because they really keep them booked for like 3 days. Like, they just, one thing that they go to the next thing. But she did request a Starbucks. So we're actually she's getting ready to get out of some type of meeting, and we're gonna run by real quick and give her that Starbucks before we head back home. I feel like we're trespassing, like we're not supposed to be here, and we're secretly meeting you.